On behalf of the people of Malaybalay, I'd like to thank from the bottom of my heart Security Bank Foundation for having us one of the recipient of school building. A year before, they offered the opportunity to us, and the city government of Malaybalay wala na duwa-duwa. Truly, the public schools are the foundation of our country's greatness. There's no right time to prepare our future, but today we can guarantee that the city government of Malaybalay will really took care for the repair of this wonderful two-story classroom. Every month, I make sure that one of my schedule is the local school board, who is the most highest policy-making body in every NGO in the entire country. Every NGO, province, and city has a budget of, I think, half of the real property that we connect. In case in Malaybalay, I think we have almost 50 to 60 million a year. And I make it sure that the schools division superintendent in our locality has a hand. Not only the mayor who will decide, but it's a collegial body. So we can assure to the security chairman that we will do our best, that we will also give our share, the chairs, the tables, and all the necessary equipment that is needed in this school building. I, for one, as the city mayor of Malaybalay, I am trying my best that in running the city, I would have the courage to have an eye-to-eye contact of all the residents here in Malaybalay. I really did not exploit the position that I have. And listening to the speech of Sir Rafael inspires me to do another extra mile. Because to be honest, in my administration, to policy aside, one of the first order that I have is that we have to live our bidding process, because corruption thrives for the reason that the residents doesn't have an inkling of idea what is happening in the government. That is why education is really important, so that we have an informed citizens. Democracy will not thrive. Democracy, we have been democratic for almost 100 years. Every 3 years we have an election. Every 6 years we have to elect our senators, president, and vice president. But look at us now. Because we are not responsible. Democracy has a counterpart. We must be responsible enough. In this administration, I make sure that nobody can take advantage of the position that he or she has in the government. Right from the mayor up to the lowest rank. Sometimes I could not understand other individuals still questioning why is it that I am doing such thing. So it is a challenge for us that the younger generation, we have a foundation, defend what is right. And I could still remember what the famous prayer, I think it was Leo Tolstoy, he said that if all the bad persons are united in doing the bad things, then it is incumbent upon us, persons who have good intention, to also unite. That is what's happening in our country today. At the right moment, during the election day that was given to us, the decision is totally different from the sentiments of everybody. In other countries, politicians are afraid of the people because they are doing something wrong. They know that the people who elect them in the next election will not elect them. So the foolishness of the people will come back to the people themselves, especially if we will not give them proper education and faith in them. But I can assure you that for as long as I will be given the opportunity of the people of Malaybalay to hold the reign in our government, I will do my best. And I will always bear in mind that the future of the children of Malaybalay is within my influence, I do my best. Kahit na maliit lang, sasabi ni Chairman, kahit maliit lang, and I and all the part of my administration is have an impact on the people that may have an influence. So to the Security Bank Foundation, Chairman, and all the rest, I really ran out of words how to thank you. That Balay was one of the recipients of this very good student. And I know that there will be lives that will change for the better. With that, thank you.